I'm gonna show you guys one of the easiest dinners that I'm literally throwing together in 10 minutes. First things first, we're gonna throw some chicken in here. We're making grilled chicken salads. This is one of those like, hey, I have nothing for dinner, what should we make? My kids actually love salad. Here is how we make it. I'm gonna do 4 big chicken breasts because nothing is worse than not having enough. I like leftovers. So you're gonna put all 4 on here like this. Let's wash my hands. We're gonna put some salt and pepper on these. I don't season them up too much quite yet. While those are cooking, this is when you wanna cut up your lettuce. You wanna start prepping your salads. What we're gonna do, well, I'm just cutting my bag open to be completely honest. We're doing easy salads tonight. My kids, we all really like salad around here. But you gotta have some cheese on the salad. So I'm gonna cut these open. And you guys, there's nothing wrong with buying pre-made salad like this. Nothing wrong with it at all. The carrot dressing is where the calories really start adding up. Add whatever dressing you guys can fit in your numbers that day. Add whatever your kids like. But I promise these pre-made salads aren't gonna ruin anything. It's the little packet of extra toppings in a lot of them, or the dressing is what is gonna get you. We got Coke, right? All of us. We got lettuce going everywhere. It's okay. We got some cheese. We're gonna put some cheese on these. Every salad is freaking delicious. So easy, so delicious. My kids love lots of cheese. So the bowls are for my kids. They like eating salad out of a bowl. I like it on a plate. The kids love some croutons, so I'm gonna throw some croutons on there. Salads are assembled. It literally took me no time. We're gonna turn these bad boys over. And you're not gonna fully cook them like this. That would dry them out. I just like brown the top, I sear the bottom, and then I cut them up. So I'm gonna sear this side real quick, and then we're gonna start the next step. Once they're seared on both sides, this is when I cut them. So I first have, these are really thick breasts. Okay, I first half it, then we're gonna just dice these bad boys. I have 3 kids, and nothing's worse than dicing them once they're on the salad. So I dice them now, and it cooks it so much quicker when you're cooking these in the pan. These are some really thick. Let's throw these 2 back in. Let's cut the next 2. And I'm gonna show you guys what, it's almost done, buddy. Well, the salad part's done. I'm gonna throw some chicken on it. If you want your salad without the chicken and then eat the chicken after, it's totally fine. Use some, and then I'm gonna use it for this. My kids love salad. It does, Coke does. And that's all my kids. We're just cutting this bad boy up, and then we're gonna put it back on. Now, we're gonna throw all of this in, you guys. Once you get all the chicken diced up and put back in here, now, got all the chicken in there, diced up, it's in there. We're gonna drizzle it with some Italian dressing. I use the Robust just because it has a lot more flavor. We're gonna season it in that. It gives it the best flavor ever. It smells so good. It tastes so good on your salad. Now we're just gonna let this cook up, and we're gonna toss it on the salad. And then dinner is done. You do not wanna overcook your chicken. If it starts getting chewy, I hate overcooked chicken. Here's my salad. People ask me all the time if I track my food every day of my life. No. Or if I weigh it. Once you do it long enough, you move to this thing called intuitive eating. You know what a serving size should look like. You know what your plate should look like. Oops. And that's how you live life. You don't have to weigh your food your whole life. And I promise having a little bit too much grilled chicken isn't gonna do much. This is dinner. It's the dressing that you guys wanna make sure you're not overdoing. But this is dinner tonight.